Okay folks, I'd like to welcome you to the Cashfx Getting Started tutorial. The first thing you'll need to get is your sponsor's referral link. Make sure it's correct and then place it within your browser and then click on register. Alright, so this is a very easy form. You'll just need to fill out your information. You're going to put your first name, your last name, your username, your email, your password. Make sure you agree to the terms and policies and you're not a robot, and then you're going to create your account. Now to complete your registration process, simply go over to your email account and you'll see an email from Cashfx. Once you open your email, you're just going to find the link that they sent you and click on it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do once you clicked on your confirmation link, it will take you to this page here, and it just wants you to authorize the device that you're on, whether it be your cell phone or your computer, doesn't matter. It will send you an email. Again, you're going to want to go to your email, get this code, put it in here, confirm it, and then your device will be linked to your account. All right, once you get past that step, then now it's going to ask you to pick the pack that you wish to have. Of course, you're going to want the most popular, which is the Academy and the Trading Pack. All right, here's an example of 4 of the several packs available. It goes all the way up to $100,000, but in this scenario, we're going to look at the $300 package, which is a 300, 300, 500, and 1,000 in this case represents dollars. So even though it doesn't have the dollar sign, that's the cost of the package. So let's go ahead and purchase the $300 package. So on this screen, you're just going to confirm your name and your email address, and then of the terms of conditions, you're just going to click on the little box there, and then you will click on continue. All right, this is the confirmation page of your purchase. Just make sure that you read it carefully. If you are using a wallet that does not include the fees, then you're going to actually add a few dollars more to make sure that your account is triggered and activated. I use Exodus Wallet, which includes all the fees, so I never have to add anything. I just send the exact amount, and it always triggers the account or the purchase. So then after you read that, go ahead and click confirm order. Okay, now you are on the invoice page to where you're going to copy the exact Bitcoin amount, in this case $300, and you're also going to need to copy the address to send your funds to. Now if you're using your phone, of course you can use scan the QR code, and it will give that information. I happen to use Exodus Wallet, so this is what my wallet looks like, and as you see here, I've pasted the address in this send box, as well as the exact Bitcoin amount, and you can see it's exactly $300.55, so it includes the fees. So now you just need to send the funds and you're good to go. After you've sent the funds, you will get a check mark. It will say payment is received, has been received, and to wait for the confirmations. And once the confirmations go through, your account will get activated. So once you make your package purchase, now you're just going to wait a few minutes for the funds to arrive, and once it does, you will get an email from Cashfx and letting you know that you are good to go. So once you get your confirmation email stating that your account is active, you can go back to your account, log in, and you will get this prompt wanting you to set up your two-factor authentication feature. And this is just another way to secure your account. Now it does give you step-by-step directions on how to set this up with Google Authenticator. But I personally, I like another one. It's called Authy. Now the reason I like Authy is because you're not stuck to your phone to get the authenticator code. So if you wish to use your computer and or you don't have your phone around, whatever, you can use both, either your phone or the computer, and it works just fine. I don't like the idea on having just an authenticator on your phone, because if you lose it, if it blows up, you're going to have a hard time trying to get that back. So I like this. It works great. You're just going to, the site is authy.com, and once you get there, you can either download an app onto your phone, or you can download it directly from the computer. So once you download the app onto your computer or your phone, you're just going to open up and then look for the little crosshairs up at the top right hand corner, and click on that to create a new account. It's going to ask you to put in the secret key so that you can connect your Cashfx account to the 2FA account. That key is found in the step 1 of the process for setting it up. You can either scan it, of course, with your phone, or you can copy and paste the secret key from this location. So from the Cashfx site, you're going to capture this secret key code and then place it within the Authy app, so that you're connecting the account to your authenticator, and then you just click on Add Account. So now that you've connected your Cashfx account to the authenticator, you're going to create a name for this so that you can find it later, and then click on Save. Now that you've created your Cashfx account in the authenticator, you're going to see this 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. And then that code you're going to want to place in the step 2 box for the verification purpose. So once you click on that, click on Verify, and then the two-factor authentication box will show that it's enabled. You'll just click on that and you're connected. So now that you have everything set up and connected, now you just want to verify that by typing in your code from your authenticator and just placing it within this box here where you want to test it, and then click on Test, and you should be connected. Okay, so now once you confirmed your 2FA, you're able to get into your dashboard. This is your back office, and you can see down here on the bottom left your 300 package that you just purchased. Okay, from within your back office, I'd like to direct you to the top of your dashboard where you have a series of drop-down tabs, and there's a lot of information you'll find in there, and I won't go through all these, but I just want to make you aware that occasionally they add new content, so just be aware of that. But specifically, I'd like you to look at, under the Account tab, go down to your payment history. And a lot of people wonder when they first purchase a package, when can I expect it to earn? Well, the answer is 72 hours, but this will specifically tell you the exact date in which your package will begin earning. So once you click on that, you can see your deposit history, when you made the deposit, as well as when you will start earning. And in this case, I deposited on the 23rd of November, and it will start earning on the 26th, which is 72 hours from your deposit date. It's always 72 hours, so just something that is nice to know. One final thing I'd like you to pay attention to under the Finance tab is the trading pool. Now here's where you're going to see your daily trading results. It will be posted here Monday through Friday, and on Saturday it's going to get emptied out and be sent over to your dashboard balance. So in this example, the funds that was earned from the previous week was wiped out and was sent over to your account balance, which you can see here. Now the minimum is $100, and if you have $100 or more, you can actually put in for a withdrawal request. You can see here under Bear Capital the same amount that was received. You can also see under your progress in the Bear side of your earnings, you'll see that ticker, and that will change, as your earnings increase over time. That will increase to 200%. Same here on your package. That will increase, as well as you'll see a nice running total there. Now when you have $100 or more under your account balance, you can click on, under the Finance tab, you can click on withdraw balance, and then you'll be prompted here to enter your Bitcoin address if you haven't already done so, and then of course your authenticator code. I happen to be using the Exodus wallet, so this is what it's going to look like. You just click on the receive under your Bitcoin wallet, and then you'll get this screen, and then you'll just copy this address from here. So you're going to paste that address directly into here, and then put in your authenticator code and verify everything's correct. Click on save, and you're done. Well, this wraps up the getting started process with Cashfx. I hope it's been beneficial to you, and if you have any questions, please get back with your sponsor.